Welcome. In this video I will show you how to resolve low volume issue on your Motorola Razr Fold. First of all, try to adjust the volume using the side buttons of your smartphone. Set it to the maximum level. Make sure that you don't have your device in the silent mode by tapping this icon right here until you select this normal speaker icon. Then tap the three dot icon at the bottom and adjust the sounds for your specific media type. Also swipe down the control center. Make sure that your Bluetooth is disabled so that your sound doesn't actually get rerouted to your Bluetooth device. And also make sure that you don't have your Do Not Disturb mode enabled. Lock your device and inspect your speaker grills. Make sure that they are not clogged with anything, and if they are, use a soft brush to carefully unclog them. Do not use any metallic tools to clean them, and do not use any paper towels to not clog them even more. Also, go to settings on your device, scroll all the way down to system updates, check for available updates, connect your device to the internet, and let your device download and install an update in case it has any. Then let it restart. And if updating your device doesn't help you, you can open settings on your device, go to system, then go to reset options and reset device settings, confirm, enter your password and confirm once again. And if resetting your device settings doesn't help you, also try resetting your app preferences. Then restart your device and your speaker sound should return back to normal. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.